We started running. Okay, let's talk about some powers of matrices. Just like with an integer or a scalar number, we can do powers of that number. So we can take a variable and we can write x squared, or we can write x cubed, or something like that. We can do the same thing with matrices. So if we have the matrix A equals 0, 1, 2, 3, then we can talk about writing a squared, or even a cubed. So a cubed obviously would be a times a times a. And because matrix multiplication commutes, we can do this either as multiplying the left two first, or we can multiply the right two first, either order. Okay, so let's calculate a squared. A squared equals 0, 1, 2, 3 times 0, 1, 2, 3. Now, just as we've always done with multiplying matrices, we're going to take the first row times the first column. So let's see. 0 times 0 plus 1 times 2 is 2. And the first row times the second column. 0 times 1 plus 1 times 3 is 3. Then we do the second row and the first column. So that's 2 times 0 and 3 times 2 is 6. And then second row and the second column. So that's 2 times 1 plus 3 times 3. So that's 2 plus 9 is 11. That's a squared. Now what if we do a cube? Well, as we've already said, we can do it in either order. So let's take our matrix there. 2, 3, 6, and 11. And multiply that by 0, 1, 2, 3. Let's see, so what do we get out of this one? This one's a little bit more complicated, isn't it? Now let's see. First row, 2, 3 times 0, 2. So that's going to be 2, 3 times 0, 2 is 6. And then 2, 3 times our second column, which is 2 times 1 plus 3 times 3, so that's going to be 11. And then second row, 6, 11, times the first column will be 6 times 0 plus 2 times 11, that's 42. And then 6, 11 times 1, 3 is 6 times 1 is 6, plus 11 times 3 is 33, so it's 39. So that's our a cubed. So this is how you take powers of a matrix. You have to go element by element and multiply just like you do with ordinary matrix multiplication. Remember everyone, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.